I'm very sad. Because this is my last mini GT. And it's the Lancia Stratos, so. Guys, if this Stratos, if this looks good, I will be, if this Stratos impresses me, I will buy more mini GT. Like, there's a Skyline there. I wish I got it, but I love the boxes too. The boxes are just pretty. Okay. Moment of truth. You know what? Let's show the car first. They had a different color. They had a blue one. I'm nervous. I'm very nervous. Like, I actually feel anxious opening this for some weird reason. Let me just, like, I'm gonna use my teeth next time, because I have some Pop Race and Kaido House, which I will open. So. I kind of don't like this one. But I like the Lancia Stratos. Never mind. Ooh, why are they oily? I don't like that. Just makes the paint look bad. Dude, oh wow. It's so tiny. It's like a baby. This one did not impress me. It's just so small. Small for what? Oh, wow, actually. Dude, that looks... Actually, that's sick. Honestly, I'm pissed off at myself I didn't get that Skyline. I can't lie. One thing I don't like about Mini GT is that sometimes they don't move. They don't roll. Like, at all. Let me, like, wipe this down, actually. Like, let me show you the Lancia from Hot Wheels. This one isn't freaking me out as much, because I've seen better. This is good, but I just don't like the scaling. It's just a little too small, in my opinion. Just a bit too small. I'm gonna be honest, I think I prefer the Hot Wheels one. This one's nice, but this one's so tiny. I just don't like the oiliness. Why is it oily? I don't like that. I don't like that it's oily. For what? Why is it oiled up? Like, I don't understand the reason why they're so oily. It looks good, but imagine headlights go down. That'd be crazy. It's very detailed. I'm not saying that, but you know what? In this case, I feel like Hot Wheels might be better, but I feel like the Mini GT is still good. Never mind, Hot Wheels is way better. I'm sorry. This time, Hot Wheels is good. Very cool casting. Wheels are nice. It's just very small, and I don't like that the front wheels don't roll. The thing about Mini GT is that they know that people don't play with these, obviously. You know, I would like it to roll around a little better. I don't know why it's so oily, but it's very detailed and very cute. I do love that, but just not my thing, I guess. Actually, no. Oof. Like, if it was a little bigger, oh, it's phenomenal casting. But for now, I love the Hot Wheels one that Lance. I mean, I'm losing my shit. I love the Hot Wheels premium one, though. I feel like this one's the only time where it's better. Because it just works like that. I don't know. To me, it just works. And I really wish I didn't touch this Hot Wheels premium because my fingers are oily and I touched the premium. I don't think it matters because I touched those cars with that. No, actually, no. This one's especially oily. But yeah, guys, I'm see you later. It's a cool car. It's just way too oily for me. So yeah.